Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. In this video guys, I'm gonna start painting the doors. You saw me block sand them, and everything's ready. So let's just get started. First of all, I'm gonna start cleaning it up with some wax and grease remover. Right there's the product. So let's get started. Everything has been cleaned with the wax and grease remover. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start applying the self-etching primer on all those bare metals. So let me do that. And that is it guys, that's all it needs. It's real, their area is real small that it doesn't need a lot. So it's ready. Let me just get the sealer ready so that I can start applying it. There's the sealer I'm going to be using. It's a medium gray sealer and it's mixed 4-1-1. Okay, this is the gun I'm going to be using, the Avalon TRI-U. Okay, I got TRI-U HBOP cap. Avalon sent me a different cap, which is TRI-UX HBOP cap. So I'm going to be using the new one, see how that one sprays. There it is. You only need 1 coat of sealer. That's all it takes. Now I'm going to let it dry for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to come back with a tack cloth and just wipe it down so that I have a clean surface. Now about the new cap, it's perfect. It is perfect. What I saw is that it transferred the paint even faster, so it didn't waste a lot of paint. I had a lot of a sealer left over, which I didn't know I was gonna have a lot left over, but that's how efficient this gun is. The transfer is perfect. So Avalon, you did a real good thing with that new cap. All right, let's continue. There it is, guys. After 3 coats of base, came out real nice. That Avalon paint gun, can't go wrong with it. Left the paint real smooth. So now it's the clear coat. I'm gonna be using Grant 7 Oh My Clear. There it is. So I'm gonna be adding 3 coats of high solids clear, and I'll be done. All right, so let's just get started mixing the clear and start spraying. There it is, guys. This is after several hours of drying. Right there, nice and shiny, nice and smooth. Here's the other one. So if you didn't see the way I prepared the door for the block sanding, go to my previous video, guys. You'll have it there. I showed you. I show you actually how to block sand everything. So this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram page is Faraway Paint. Go ahead and follow me. I post videos, and I post also as to what's coming up on my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Have a good weekend. Stay safe, and like always, God bless.